Hello! In this video, I will provide some facts about the EPA regulations that are used to control air quality in the U.S. Let's go! The Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, was established in 1970 as a bipartisan effort with the primary goal of protecting human health. Popular to contrary belief, environmental protection is only a secondary concern of the EPA. For example, the EPA has air quality regulations in place to protect the public from the health effects of air pollution. It is important to note that these EPA regulations only apply to outdoor air quality. The Clean Air Act was established by the EPA to protect citizens from the adverse health effects of air pollution. This act established the National Ambient Air Quality Standards, or NAAQS for short, to regulate the emissions of primary pollutants. Primary pollutants include lead, particulate matter, carbon monoxide, ozone, and nitrous oxide. NAAQS established maximum allowable concentrations of each pollutant in the air. By law, NAAQS standards are reviewed every 5 years with the goal of incorporating the latest science to better protect human health. If an area doesn't meet the NAAQS, it is designated as a non-attainment area. If a state contains any non-attainment areas, the state is responsible for developing a written plan called a State Implementation Plan, or SIP, to demonstrate the efforts it will take to meet the EPA standards. The state of Colorado is currently in compliance with all NAAQS except for ozone. The state of Colorado is working on an SIP to reduce ozone emissions and keep Coloradans healthy. VOCs and many other potentially harmful pollutants, including mercury, aren't regulated by the NAAQS. Instead, the EPA regulates these pollutants as hazardous air pollutants, or HAPs. HAPs must be regulated by the industries that emit them. Industries must meet maximum achievable control technologies, which require that HAP emissions are controlled to a minimum industry standard, or MACT floor. In order to comply with MACT standards, industries must control their emissions of HAP pollutants by using the best available control technologies. These control technologies involve removing pollutants out of waste air produced by factories. For example, VOC emissions can be controlled by using incinerators, like the one pictured here. They burn VOCs with complete combustion in order to produce CO2 and water. Unlike NAAQS, it's up to the industry to make sure that the MACTs are met. To learn more about pollution control technologies, check out Sean Benson's video on control technologies, also on the AQIQ website. For more information, check out the EPA's website at epa.gov. I hope this video helped clarify the role of the EPA in regulating air quality. To learn more about air quality, check out the next video on indoor air quality. Thanks for watching.